how do you like? I'm still speaking in the microphone. You're human. I don't understand anymore. I'm sorry. What are your impressions about Croatia and the festival so far?
I mean, first of all, Croatia is a fantastic country. I've been there a couple of times before, but I've never been to Rovindija, and it's an amazing experience. I told you earlier that it's almost like it's artificial. It's so tranquil when you go down the beach. And yesterday I rented a bike and I went out on the side there, and I actually went for a swim. It's I think it's hotter here now in the water than we have in Sweden in the middle of the summer.
Exactly. When you come from Sweden, this is boiling hot.
So fantastic. And the people have been super friendly, so it's amazing.
I know you love surfing, but this is not really a destination for surfing, right? Too many bays, too many calm waters.
Yeah, but I can go training, so
exactly.
I can stay fit while I'm here, so that's good.
Exactly. Your lecture yesterday was amazing. Just the same as I asked Sophia, what kind of takeaway do you wish that people have?
I always look to inspire people, but also maybe to promote people, because I think if you really want people to think in new ways and change their mind about something, you can't just inform them. You have to challenge them, and maybe they will leave here and be a little bit provoked and think I'm saying things that they don't agree with, but then they let it sink in, and then after a while I think it will have some effect. And that's the only way you can really make people change. I don't want to change people's minds, but I want to inform them about new things and new trends, and hopefully they take that on, and it will be beneficial for them in the future.
Now I'm going to ask you a question, and keep in mind that Sophia the robot is standing right next to you. So how do you see the future of creative industry?
I think I'm a little bit scared about those hands. No, but I think it's a really challenging time we're living in now. I personally I consider myself being in the forefront of technology, but I find it hard to know where the industry will actually go at the moment. I think you have to just be on board, you have to learn about all the new stuff, and AI is challenging a lot of industries, and I think it's challenging a lot of industries super fast. Every month there's a new tool that changes things that we thought was not possible a month ago, and the AI revolution is really here, and I think if it continues at this pace, I'm not sure where we'll end up. I think we just have to be the people who direct the technology, rather than be proud that we actually make the technology. The technology will lead the way, and we just have to try to steer it in one or another direction. It resembles when I was speaking about the internet, maybe in the beginning of 2000, when we said that media, for example, would go online and people could produce their own media, and you would have your live cast here. People said like, no, it's not going to be like that. And here we are 25 years later, and everything is live and it's online. Traditional TV channels in many countries are a challenging time ahead. So yeah, it's exciting times, but challenging.
We'll see. Well, let's take a date. In 25 years, we'll all be back here.
I hope so.
And to see if we're going to be holographic images of ourselves, or thank you very much. Enjoy your time in Croatia.